welcome back for another watercolor symbol page. So again, I'm using my Sonnet kit, this one here, 24 color kit, and I went ahead and mixed up my palette. I'm doing Azure, which is this one, Ultramarine Light, which is this one, and Straight Up Blue, which is this one. And then again, I've done a mix of Burnt Sienna and Burnt Umber, these two colors up here to make this color. And then this time I'm going to add this really dark hunter green color. It's like a real forest green, and I've got that mixed up here. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my gold. This out of the way, out of my Modern Masters metallic kit. I really love these metallics, and I don't show it in every video because I don't want to be redundant, but you get 2 trays full, and I think this is like $16.99, but of course you use your 40% off coupon and you can get it for way less, you know, 11 or something like that, 12. So it's well worth the money. So I'm going to use my gold out of that kit again. I'm on a gold and blue kick lately. So I'm going to go ahead and use the same brushes, and I'm using this dirty paper towel and my dirty water because I've got pretty much the same palette. Otherwise, if I was going with a different color palette, I would completely clean that all up. And then of course I've got clean water. So I've got my fan brush here for spatter. And then I've got various rounds. I have a number 8, a number 4, which I haven't been using the 4 at all, and a number 10, but I keep the number 4 in case I want to use it, and then a number 6 big one to wet the page as usual. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music and let's get started.